So I'm here to tell you about Alexandra Nicole English and how awesome she really is. She's so awesome that awesome didn't exist until she was born. Yes, I said it. That was stupid, but okay. She's Mountain Dew awesome. You know, Snapple awesome. Smiley face sticker awesome. Ooh. She is British flag awesome. Yes, I said it. British flag awesome. She's talking to me right now. She's a little confused. You were a little confused, weren't you? Yeah. This video kind of sucks because I don't know what to do because it's like unexplainable about how awesome Alexandra Nicole English is. I like saying her whole name. It's kind of fun. Say it. Alexandra Nicole English. Alexandra Nicole English. Okay. Lost. Fun. So, yeah. Alex is awesome. And she's talking to me and disturbing my video. You're losing your cool, man. She's totally awesome, and I'm really bored. And I'm making videos, and I don't know why, because I look like a retard. Wait. She's charcoal awesome. Charcoal isn't cool. That's okay. Stripes awesome. Wait. The color green awesome. Yes, that's what I said. Sidekick awesome. I hate my phone. That's okay. Because everything on my phone. Never mind. Alexandra Nicole English is so awesome that... Okay, I need to stop with the analogies because I can't make any up. So, yeah. Bye.